everybody, this is Jill for today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so happy you are here today with me. I am making pineapple muffins. Pineapple muffins. Yum. So let's get started. I'll show you the ingredients. We're going to start with some milk. This is the almond milk. You could use any kind of milk that you prefer. I've got, where's my can of pineapple? We've got pineapple. This is crushed pineapple. A little bit of avocado oil. Any neutral oil will work. I just happen to use coconut oil. We've got some baking soda, some baking powder, some flour, some vanilla, some salt. This is salt there, and a little bit of sugar. Not too much. This happens to be Truvia, which we think is great, but you could use regular sugar if you like. And then a little tiny bit of white vinegar. That's what our ingredients are. Okay, let's get started here. This is canned pineapple. I always buy the unsweetened. It's sweet enough on its own. You don't need extra sugar in there. Okay, and I'm going to add some avocado oil now. And I'll have all the ingredients and the measurements in the recipe down below the video in that description box. So you'll have the measurements there, and you can give these a try yourself. It's a very good recipe. I'm going to add some vanilla now. I don't know whether you have a Penzeys store nearby, but they really do have some wonderful extracts and herbs and spices. If you ever have a chance, they also have an online store, but I think Penzeys products are very, very good. Going to add some almond milk. This happens to be sweetened, but you could add unsweetened or coconut milk, cashew milk, and then a little vinegar. The vinegar and that baking soda and baking powder that I'm going to be putting in here is what's going to make this nice and fluffy and light muffins. They're really, really, really nice. So we're going to give this a good stir. Make sure all of that's combined. At that. Okay, now we got the flour. Make yourselves a little well there, and we're going to start with some salt. About a half a teaspoon of salt. I use kosher salt. If you use regular salt, you might cut back just a little bit on it. And some baking soda, half a teaspoon of that. Baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon. Yeah, that's what's going to give it that wonderful light and fluffy. And then I'm going to add the Truvia. Not too much. You can use regular sugar, but I'll tell you, I was so surprised at how good Truvia is. So that's kind of my go-to now. Give this a really good mix. Make sure it's all combined. There we go. We've got it now. So there you go, right there. There are the wet ingredients ready to go. And now I'm going to add that bowl of dry ingredients in there. There we go. Really, this is such a nice, easy recipe. You can whip these up, really quickly. So now I'm just going to mix it up. And as I always say when I do quick breads, muffins, you want to just combine it. I always say as soon as that flour disappears, that's where you want to stop. And I do kind of a folding motion. You don't want to beat it like you would with a cake mix. You just want to get it combined. And I can already see that baking soda and baking powder and vinegar is beginning to add some fluff in there. So that means we're going to have some nice fluffy muffins. All right, see, there you go, right there. Just like that. And here comes the muffin tin. And I didn't get 9 muffins, I only got 8. And I'm filling these to about 3/4 of the way up. Those silicone cups that you see I'm using are amazing. They're reusable. The muffins pop right out, and I recommend those highly. They're just great. Now I have my oven set at 350 degrees, and we're going to let that cook for about 18 minutes, but keep an eye on them. And there they are. Aren't they lovely? Oh my gosh. So tasty, so delicious. Yeah, there they are. Let me break one of these open so you can see the inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Light and fluffy and tender. Yeah. Hope you give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Check out the rest of my muffins and quick breads. You have a great day. Thanks a lot again. Take care. Bye-bye.